All right, DJ Cougar the Blues here. Trying to stay upbeat here. So maybe one of our last days opening to the public, and we tried takeout for a few days. We were shut down as of Monday for table service. 8 o'clock. They gave us a few hours notice, but we're just trying to. Glenn Peltier on camera here. We're trying to get a few last videos done. I think the order is coming down here in a few days, shelter in place. So, but we're doing a Fra Diavolo, and I just want to, clams take a long time, and a lot of times you do the seafood and everything, and you wait, and you know, you're waiting for those clams to open and the seafood overcooks. So I like to, I'm just going to steam them open a little bit, get a jump on it, and I think I'll put a little white wine. So get them going in. We'll actually use that broth in the sauce. So so again, a little bit of butter. Then I'll put the lobster tails in. I want to show you the shrimp here, Glenn. See how I just peel and devein? I hold it like that. Okay. And then leave that. I like to leave that tail on. Pull out the vein if there's any. These are pretty clean. Okay, put them in. And then put everything in. A little few scallops. Garlic, a little more butter, a little red pepper flake. Careful how you like it. Fra Diavolo got to be a little spicy. Don't breathe it in. I'll give a little sear on everything. Hit it with, to get all that garlic nice and everything kind of married up a little bit. I try not to leave that down, leave that kind of up. A little white wine, a little bit of fresh tomatoes, little cherries cut in half. Ooh, that smells good.
Oh, that smells great.
And so I'm going to turn the fire down here now. I'm going to add a little bit of marinara. Alta Cucina. Look at the color on it. So beautiful. Rich. And Richie, get it set up with a couple of shots of Crown.
You know it.
A couple beers. Richie Delasanto in the house.
Oh, I'm here to help cook. Wash my hands, we're ready.
Hey man, Richie's Heating and Air Conditioning, man, the best in the business. But get us a shot of beer, man, and we'll wrap this thing up.
All right, perfect. Glenn, you in?
I'm in.
Didn't have to twist his arm, do we?
No.
Yeah, see how they're up there popping? As soon as they pop, I'll try to take them out. You know, we don't want to overcook the clams either. But sometimes they're stubborn, so we turn the heat down a little bit on them. So we're going to slowly simmer that, and then we can blast it at the end. And we'll be right back. We're going to get cleaned up here. The clams will finish up, and we'll be right back. All right, just in time, Richie. Woo. Okay, look at this here, Glenn. See? Beautiful. Set them in there.
Look at that.
Put a little bit of that clam broth in there, and just let that marry a little bit. Turn those scallops over. Look at that, Richie. Come on, take a look. We gotta do that social distance here, man. Yeah.
My arm's longer than yours.
Hey, that's not 6 feet.
No,
hey,
we're
guys, go with the blues, man. And Richie Della Santo in the house. We're just gonna let that simmer down. Let's do our shot. Oh, we're all drinking light, not ultra light, huh?
Well, I didn't open them because I wasn't sure what Glenn was
okay.
drinking.
It's all right.
Glenn, you good with that?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Oh, Richie.
Thank you.
What's happening? Glenn?
Thank you.
Jack has to health and wealth and
It's staying healthy.
everybody
and,
being
be
safe.
safe.
Yeah.
And we'll get through this.
Love you, brother.
Love you too, Richie. Woo.
That's how you kill the coronavirus.
Oh, is that what I'm doing right now?
So we're just gonna get this here, and then so Glenn, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna do a little.
You got it.
We're gonna do a little pasta. Being Justin in the house.
Smells amazing.
What'd I do with that strainer?
Hey, babe.
I know it's somewhere. Here it is.
Jay.
Got a little bit of angel hair. What's that? Vermicelli? Yeah.
Yeah.
My favorite. Don't overcook it. So get the heat out of it. So I like to put a little flavor into the vermicelli. A little bit of salt and pepper. Richie, you want to try this? You like seafood?
Yeah.
Grab your roll up. Okay, here what we're gonna do here. See that now?
Yeah, that looks
Put a little bit of the juice off in it. So, season up our pasta. And put it over here. Flavor everything, even a little green onion in the pasta.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Maybe just a little more. Okay. So then we halfway there, you know, you're getting all the full flavor right into the noodle itself. And then let that reduce down. How's that, Glenn, looking?
Oh man.
This down in Texas was my, you know, we didn't do it like this. We just kind of, you know, poured it right over the top. This is a little more, but this is our #1 seller down in Texas. I didn't do it much here. Probably because I got tired of cooking it, but no, it's a winning dish. So then,
And you're gonna dump that over, right?
yeah. First, I'm gonna finish it with a little butter. That thickens up the sauce nicely. Trust me, that seafood gonna stay hot for a while too. Get that last piece of butter. See how that sauce came together? All right, that's it. Fra Diavolo.
That's beautiful,
Daddy
Jack.
Jack's Fra Diavolo. We're gonna go out to the table, Richie. You want to dig into it?
Let's dig into it.
All right. Take a taste here, Richie. See what you think.
I'm
Try-
going after a scallop.
Try not to get it all over the tablecloth. See, I never did it here much.
Len, we got to put this one on the menu.
That's what I said.
See, look at this now. I got a little trick for you. Watch. We'll get a clam, right? And so we'll eat the clam, and then, watch this now. Italians, they use a spoon, or see, Americans do a spoon. But I'm gonna do this, right? Watch, Richie. That's how they do it in the big city, man. Look,
Is that how they do it?
look. See?
Look at you go.
How's that, huh?
You are a talented man.
Man, you get a little taste of that pasta, Richie, with that, you know, because I mixed some sauce. And hey, B, you want some of this or no? No. Okay. All right.
We're not worried about Carl.
Well, look at that, because you know, you have a little butter, some of that sauce. Let the pasta soak it up. The sauce was thin. Wow.
You definitely got to put this one on the menu.
Huh?
Jack.
That's what I said.
It's all you. So, yeah, like I said, Dallas, Daddy Jack's, that was my #1. I can't tell you how many we sold tonight. I don't know why I just never have done it here. Because, you know, a little bit of seafood goes a long way. And we do use the whole lobster tail. We use a half a lobster tail. You want to do a little piece of fish at the end, put it right at the end over the top, you know, stretch it out. You don't have to have all lobster and shrimp and clams. You do it a couple of shrimp, some fish. But you know, be looking for patreon.com/cooking with the blues. $1 donation a month or $5, you know, whatever. Every little bit will help us to keep the doors open, keep the videos rolling. And you know, like I said, we'll give back. I guarantee you, we'll give back. We get your money's worth, whatever. And we'd appreciate it. And if we had any extra, you know, we're gonna cook for some of the homeless. We're gonna cook for some of the soup kitchens, people in need, the churches around, and people are, people tell us, some kids need to eat, we're going to provide the food. If the government lets us, we hope, we'll be a couple weeks self-quarantined or shelter in place, I guess it's coming.
And if my man Jack needs help, Rich's Heating is putting in $100 donating to the homeless so he can cook for the people.
Thank you so much.
All right?
Yeah, Thoreau, what's the Thoreau funeral home?
Yep.
I forgot a gentleman's name. He's giving us $100 a week, and we really appreciate that. But it's Daddy Jack's Cool with the Blues. Glenn Peltier on camera. Looks like we're gonna have a little time on our hands, so if they let us, we'll be down here, keep pumping out the videos.
Yeah.
Paula, she needs to get down there because we're gonna have food to try.
I know, she's with Rachel. What do you expect?
Michelob Ultra, load up. Load up while you
Load
can.
up. Sunday's a closing day.
Yeah. Daddy Jack's Cool with the Blues. Daddy Jack's Lobster Fra Diavolo, Seafood Fra Diavolo.
That's a good one. This is one of my favorites.